guys, what are we doing?
We are working on quadratic functions.
What? Last class we were learning about linear functions.
Yeah, we were, but quadratic and linear functions relate to each other.
But how?
Calm down. Linear functions and quadratic functions have similar equations, but quadratic functions have x squared, creating a parabola instead of a linear line.
The transformations are also similar by changing the variables in the equation. In the quadratic equation, which is y equals ax plus h squared plus k, the h and the k are the vertex, h being the variable on the x-axis and k being the y value.
And the variable a compresses or stretches the parabola, changing the zeros.
But how do you know it's a function?
You use the vertical line test. If the line hits only one point, it's a function.
As you move the line across the graph, if it hits more than one or not at all, then it's not a function.
Cool, I think I'm starting to understand.
Great explaining, guys, but do you know how this will relate to our next lesson?
Wait, what is the next lesson?
Our next lesson is on sinusoidal functions. Sinusoidal functions also can have translations just like quadratic functions. Here, what do you think the different variables do?
Does the c shift the function to the right or the left?
Yes, it does. Great job. It's called the phase shift. Now, what do you think the a variable does?
Does it stretch and compress on the x-axis like the same thing it does to a parabola?
Yes, it changes the amplitude.
Does the variable d make the vertical shift?
Yes, it does.
What does the k do?
It changes the distance between the peaks and the values. Wow, I think I understand.